We've been told weight loss is simple. Calories in, calories out. Eat less, move more. But if that worked, why do people keep gaining the weight back? Or worse, struggle to lose it at all?
If you've been struggling to lose weight, it's not a willpower problem. It's a cell health problem. When your cells are injured, your body holds on to fat. The key isn't another diet, it's restoring your cells so they function the way they're supposed to.
Excess fat is a sign of cellular dysfunction, and no amount of calorie counting will fix that. But the right nutrition and program can. Relive Fit is different. It's a holistic weight loss program that prioritizes cellular health, helping your body absorb and use nutrients more effectively. This isn't another diet. It's a cell-first approach that resets your metabolism at the source. No starvation, no extreme workouts, just science-backed nutrition. No yo-yo dieting, no gimmicks, no drugs, no surgery. Relive Fit is a phased approach that locks in weight loss, so your body learns to maintain it naturally.
We don't just want you to lose weight, we want you to keep it off for life. When you restore your cellular health, your body stops working against you and starts working for you. Relive Fit doesn't treat symptoms. It fixes the root cause of excess weight.
Relive Fit isn't just about losing weight. It's about keeping it off for good. Because when your cells are healthy, your body finally knows how to maintain a healthy weight naturally. You don't need another diet. You need a real solution that works for real people and lasts for life. Get started today. Relive Fit, the last weight loss program you'll ever need.